24, we're looking for the largest angle of a triangle having sides of 9, 7, and 8. Okay, so we know that the largest angle is going to be opposite the longest side. And so we can use, or we have three sides, SSS. When you're given a pattern of SSS, we can use the law of cosines to solve this, and we're simply going to solve for the side or the angle opposite our longest side. So I'll call that x. And when we set up the law of cosines, we get that the longest side, the side opposite the angle squared, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides minus twice the product of those sides times the cosine of the angle opposite, whatever side is listed first. So if I calculate this measure, I get 9 squared, and I'm going to subtract a 7 squared and an 8 squared from that. So I get negative 32 is equal to negative 2 times 7 times 8 times the cosine of x. So I'm now just going to go ahead and divide by each of these factors. So I'll divide that whole quantity by negative 2, by 7, and by 8. That gives me 2/7 as my cosine ratio. And so now it's just a matter of, to find x, I'm going to take the inverse cosine of that ratio, 2/7. So the inverse cosine of 2/7, I'll enter a decimal, so my answer is displayed as a decimal, and I get approximately 73 degrees. And so that is my largest angle.